Hello, and how are you doing? So today we'll be taking a look at a flashlight from the company called Airfire US. So they sent me this flashlight for review, and we'll be unboxing and we'll try this out and I will give you my thoughts. But ahead of time, I was given the information that this is a hunting flashlight. Um, just a quick disclaimer, I am not a hunter. I mean, I don't hunt deers or wild animals. I live here in the Philippines, and for this one, I'll be reviewing this flashlight in the perspective of using it as a normal user and for family use and for camping and for emergency purposes. Okay, so let's start the review. So the product comes with a plastic box, and let's open this up. It says here power style. It claims that this product is waterproof and it could reach a throw of 800 meters. So these are the features: power light, energy saving, waterproof, and explosion proof. I don't know, maybe I'll try this out, but I'm not yet sure, but we'll see. So as you open the box or the container, this one has a very good packaging with cushion. So as you open the box, it has a holster with a velcro for retention and a belt loop with a button and a velcro as well. Comes with a power brick. The power brick is similar to those you receive when you buy a cell phone, and a charging cable which is of micro type, micro USB. This one is the charging port, the charging dock for the battery with branding Airfire. This one I believe is a conversion kit. So if you have AAA, 3 AAA battery, you can still drive this flashlight with you for emergency purposes. This one's very clever. And let's go. Oh, and we also have here an extra, I don't know why we have an extra cable, but yeah, an extra cord. And let's move on to the flashlight. So the flashlight is made up of aluminum, and it has a pre-installed lanyard for retention. And this one is clearly of low quality. Just to be honest, I wasn't even trying to, it broke right there and then when I tried to insert it in my wrist. Okay, so wait a minute. So let's remove the lanyard for a bit because that broke off right away. The product is made up of aluminum, and it's roughly around 6 centimeters in length. Let's measure it out. So the product is 6.5 inches in length, and the head diameter is around 2 inches, and the body diameter would be around more than an inch. there's not much knurling in the body area, but in the moving over to the head, you'll see some machining for the heat dissipation. And we have here the switch button and a USB port. So I believe that this product can be charged two ways. One, if you'll use the charging dock, and one if you'll directly charge this through the power brick in the charging port. Okay, so let's move over to the UI. Okay, so let's go over the UI. With just one click, it goes on to red. And this one's the UV. Next is the green one. And then you'll have your high CRI light. And that's it for the light output. I'll be indicating the different light output for the post-process. So let's try the UV if it really works. So I have here with me a 100 peso bill, a 100 Philippine peso, and let's go over. Yeah, you'll see it, because this can be used as a money detector if it's real or fake, and you'll see the difference. There's, you know, those little, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, you'll really notice that this one is really UV or a black light, and you won't see it if you're gonna use the green one, and more so if you're using the white or the high CRI light, and also the red. But you can only see this. As for the usage, green one, the green light, the red light, and the green light can be used for night vision, you know, for hunting. But in practical usage, as for me, this can be used to direct the traffic or to signal someone that you are in distress or you need help. And later I will be showing you the beam shots or how this one performed, because this one is zoomable. So later I'll be showing you the beam shots and I will give you my final thoughts. Okay, so it seems like we have a problem here. After testing the waterproof capability of this flashlight, it started to, you know, go wild, and it doesn't go off. Like, it's off right now, right? And then let's wait. It's gonna turn on itself, and at times it's going to, you know, go on a random LED. So I'm starting to get scared if I'm gonna, you know, pursue testing this light, if this one can be used or not. I mean, this is not waterproof, and I think that this light is not safe. You see it right there. It, without switching, without, you know, without controlling the mode button, it switched from red to UV and to green, and I'm assuming that yes, it goes into the white light. So I'm gonna stop my review here. I'm gonna unpack this flashlight, and I'm not gonna do anything about it anymore. This one ends my review. I mean, I'm not gonna touch the flashlight and operate it. I might get electrocuted or some sort, so again, this is not a waterproof flashlight, and I don't know if I can try it out later because it's clearly broken and it's malfunctioning. So yeah, I mean, maybe we should go for some popular and reliable brands when it comes to hunting and emergency lights. This is the implication of having a reliable light from a well-known company. And I'm not saying that the company who sent me this flashlight is not reliable, but for me to review the product, I would definitely try this out because I'll be using this just like all my other flashlights. I own flashlights from other companies which I wouldn't name the names of the company, but yeah, this flashlight is not waterproof and it's clearly broken right now, so I'm gonna end my review and product testing. So let me know what are your thoughts about this flashlight, and I'll be putting a link in the description box for you to find the features of this flashlight. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, and I hope you can share this with your friends. Stay safe, everyone.